Hi, and welcome to the WEARFITS Try-On onboarding video. In this video, we'll discuss how to paste a link to a try-on into your product detail page without generating 3D models. Install the app and follow the onboarding instructions. Once onboarded, choose I'll select products later in step 4. Turn on virtual try-on on your product detail pages and click Save. Click Continue, and then choose the plan that fits your store best. We recommend the Silver plan because it allows you to test virtual try-on at scale, not just as a feature. Copy the link to a WEARFITS try-on that you already have without generating a 3D model of your product. Click the three-dot menu on the right side of the page. Paste the virtual try-on link and click Save. You can also proceed with this step even if you have generated products. Make sure the try-on link represents the product on your PDP. Change the catalog view to all products. Now you can see the try-on your product listing page.